get going here.
The following is a sponsored feature.
So we have Mark on the phone, I believe, from the
Yes.
Advocates. And if you have any questions for an attorney, this is a great time to ask it. 877-602-9696 is the number to call and talk to Mark. Ask him a question if you like. Are you there, Mark?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, listen, I have a question, my own self, or an observation. Can you talk about subrogation, what that means?
Sure.
He says, sure, and and everybody else is going,
I'm ready
what?
for that right now.
So you get every once in a while you get these letters from your insurance company, and they're trying to intimate that maybe you're cheating them.
Bill, I don't
Right.
get those letters. You get.
That's because your husband looks at them, Gina. You don't see
Oh,
them.
okay.
Talk about what subrogation is and what they're trying to do there.
Yeah, so subrogation, what it means is it's a legal right to get paid back for anything that your health insurance has paid. Mm-hmm. So in our line of work, it comes into play when someone's been injured in an accident. They go to the hospital or to any doctor. Their health insurance covers that bill. Then their health insurance has what's called a subrogation interest in their personal injury case, meaning that they have a right to get paid back for anything that they've paid on their insured's behalf. So when we get a settlement from the auto insurance, if it's an auto accident, a portion of that money has to go back to our client's health insurance if they paid any of the medical bills.
Mm-hmm. It's like, so I'm going to have a little back surgery tomorrow. Really minor procedure at this point. But boy, they just want to make sure that nobody else is paying for it. That it's just them. Is there anybody else we can bill? That's what the insurance company wants to know.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else we can bill for this? So.
That's exactly right. Yep,
Yeah.
they want to try and get out of their obligation
Sure.
or pay, but have the idea that they're going to get paid back.
Yeah, it's like, are you sure this was not an accident? You sure this? Maybe if it was an accident, then somebody else might be giving you some money for this. Just really, it irritates the hell out of me.
Let's go to Deborah, who is on the phone. Deborah has a question for Mark. Go ahead, Deborah.
Yeah, so we are in the process of selling our condo. We had a buyer lined up, and the day of closing, he backed out 3 hours before he was supposed to close. So it really messed up us getting the house we want. Mm-hmm. So we're just wondering if there's anything we can do to go after him since, he signed all the papers and everything.
So thanks for the call, Deborah. I do not specialize in real estate law, so I don't have a great answer for you. Just off experience, though, and basic contract law, usually if the contract hasn't been executed, meaning if he hasn't actually signed it, there usually isn't a ton of repercussions as far as what you guys could do going after him. There isn't any legal remedies that I'm aware of. If there was any escrow money, like if he put any money down, usually he doesn't get that money back. So you guys, that money would go towards you. Really is the only legal remedy that I'm aware of. If he hasn't actually signed any of the paperwork, I don't think that there's anything that you can do other than if he put any money down, you guys can keep that. Mm-hmm. Is my understanding of it.
And I'm assuming
I don't do real estate.
I'm assuming, Mark, that you would not want. My advice to her would be get somebody who's really big and threaten to beat him up. But that's probably not the best.
That's kind of how we felt too.
Yeah, but it's probably not the best way to approach things, I would say. So, hey,
I
thanks.
guess it's one way.
Yeah, thanks, Deborah. Thanks for calling us.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, see you later,
Deborah. But see, she was. Even though that wasn't Mark's specialty, he was able to at least give her some advice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's always
better than hiring somebody to beat the guy up. That's not the best.
Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Remember the Advocates, 801-355-5550, he said off the top of his head. 801-355-5550. 24 hours a day. You can get advice about if you've been hurt in an accident. Is essentially what the advocates. That's their specialty. So thanks, Mark.
Thank you, Mark.
Yeah, thank you.